What if everything you know, your memories, your choices, even this very moment, exists countless times in countless realities? For centuries, humanity has believed we live in a single, unique universe. But modern physics whispers a different story, that our universe might be just one drop in an infinite cosmic ocean. Beyond the limits of our telescopes, beyond the edge of space-time itself, there may exist other worlds with different stars, different laws of physics, and perhaps different versions of us. This is the story of the multiverse, the theory that reality itself may be far stranger than we could ever imagine. To understand the multiverse, we must first understand the boundaries of our own. What we call the universe, everything we can see, measure, or detect, is only a small bubble within a much larger cosmic reality. Light has a speed limit, and time itself has an age. That means we can only observe as far as light has traveled since the Big Bang, about 46 billion light years in every direction. Beyond that horizon, space continues to expand faster than light can reach us. Entire galaxies, and perhaps entire realities, exist forever beyond our view. This boundary isn't the edge of existence, it's just the edge of what we can know. And beyond that edge might lie infinite others. In the strange world of quantum physics, reality doesn't behave the way we expect. At the smallest scales, particles don't have definite positions or paths, only probabilities. A single particle can exist in multiple states at once until it is observed. But what if observation doesn't collapse reality, but instead divides it? In 1957, physicist Hugh Everett proposed the many worlds interpretation. According to this idea, every quantum event creates a branching of realities. In one universe, you turned left. In another, you turned right. And in countless others, every possible outcome exists simultaneously. The universe doesn't choose a path, it takes them all. We don't live in one timeline, but in an infinite web of diverging realities. While quantum theory suggests multiple realities on a microscopic scale, cosmology offers a grander cosmic version of the same idea. After the Big Bang, the universe expanded in a burst of exponential inflation. But many physicists, including Alan Guth and Andre Lin, believe that inflation never completely ended. Instead, it continues forever in different regions of spacetime. Each region where inflation stops creates a bubble of reality, a universe with its own stars, galaxies, and even its own laws of physics. Our universe, the one we call home, is just one bubble among countless others floating in a vast cosmic foam. Some bubbles may be empty, others may be collapsing, and somewhere, perhaps one looks just like ours, with a planet like Earth and another you, wondering the same thing. If eternal inflation suggests countless universes in space, then string theory adds another layer of wonder, a multiverse not only of places, but of possibilities. According to string theory, everything in existence is made of tiny vibrating strings. Different vibrations create different particles, and potentially different physical laws. Mathematically, the theory allows for an almost unimaginable number of solutions, as many as 10 to the 500 possible universes, each with its own constants, dimensions, and fundamental forces. Some of these universes might have stronger gravity, others might lack atoms altogether, and only a few, perhaps very few, could ever support life. To us, this landscape is invisible, but to the equations of physics, it is very real. A vast, multidimensional library where every possible universe has already been written. If our universe is a bubble in a vast cosmic sea, then it may not be alone. In eternal inflation model, new universes are constantly forming, each one sealed off by its own space-time, expanding into the vacuum beyond. But these bubbles are not static. They can grow, and sometimes they can collide. When two universes crash, they could leave behind a visible scar, a circular imprint in the cosmic microwave background, a subtle signal written across the sky. Some physicists have searched for these marks, hoping to find the fingerprint of another universe. So far, the data remains uncertain, but the possibility is staggering. Our cosmos may not be a lonely island after all, but one wave in an infinite cosmic ocean, where entire realities drift, merge, and fade. If the multiverse truly exists, then somewhere out there, another version of you might be watching this same video. In one universe, you chose a different career. In another, you never existed at all. Every decision, every random quantum event may branch into a new reality, a different timeline with a slightly different you. This idea isn't fantasy. It emerges naturally from the mathematics of the many worlds interpretation and the structure of infinite space. If space goes on forever, then somewhere beyond our cosmic horizon, matter must repeat itself. Given infinite possibilities, there must be another Earth, another galaxy, and another consciousness identical to yours, living out a life that diverged in ways too small for the universe to notice. In the multiverse, identity itself becomes an illusion. We are not singular beings, but infinite echoes resonating through endless realities. For all its beauty, the multiverse remains a theory, a breathtaking mathematical vision that may never be proven. The challenge lies in observation. Each universe is sealed within its own space-time bubble, cut off from all others by barriers that light and information cannot cross. Our instruments, even the most powerful telescopes, can only see within our cosmic horizon. Beyond that, physics itself becomes silent. Some scientists call the multiverse unfalsifiable, a concept beyond the reach of experiment. But others argue that indirect evidence may already be whispering to us. Tiny anomalies in the cosmic microwave background, or subtle asymmetries in quantum behavior. We may not yet see the other universes, but that does not mean they are not there. It may only mean we haven't learned how to look. If the multiverse is real, then what does that say about us, about meaning, choice, and existence itself? In a reality of infinite versions, does free will still matter? Are our choices truly our own, if every possible decision is played out somewhere else? Some philosophers see the multiverse as a humbling reminder that we are not the center of creation, but one thread in an infinite cosmic fabric. Others find comfort in it, the idea that no possibility is ever truly lost, that every path we did not take still exists somewhere beyond the veil of space and time. But perhaps the deeper truth is not about other universes, but about this one. Because even if infinite realities exist, this version, this moment, is the only one we can ever live. Perhaps we will never know if the multiverse truly exists. Our telescopes may never pierce its boundaries. Our mathematics may never settle its truth. And yet, the idea alone changes everything. It reminds us that reality is deeper than perception, that the cosmos might be infinite not just in size, but in possibility. Maybe, somewhere beyond our cosmic horizon, another Earth spins around another sun. Maybe another version of you is looking up at the same stars, wondering if you exist too. Whether the multiverse is science, speculation, or something in between, it speaks to a universal longing to know that we are part of something larger, something endless. Because in the vast silence of the cosmos, it may not be the answers that define us, but the questions we dare to ask.